Ka-people, I am here with a top sports content creator here at NBTC. Ladies and gentlemen, player spotted. Sir, welcome to Oroquieta City.
Okay, first of all, pasalamat mi sa God kinakaabot mig safe diri sa Oroquieta. And then grabe, welcome kayo mi diri pag-abot namo mga fans. Makita gyud namo inahilig jud nila ang basketball.
You've seen basketball all over the country. What makes the Mindanaoan brand of basketball unique compared to what you see in Manila?
Lahi ra gyud ang actually lahi ra gyud ang nay media. Actually, last year wala daw na ingani dili daw na ingani kadaghan ang crowd. And then kung napami sa Davao, nagsigi ko og promote na mo ato mi Oroquieta, mo ato mi until wa mi na-expect, boom, daghang kay tao. Grabe, love kinilang sports gyud.
How does it feel to know that one video of yours can literally change a young player's life?
Kana no, bonus na pud na para sa ako na makatabang kog mga players or mga bata na makakita sila na ilang ginaidolo ba na ilaha pong ginasundog for the future. So thankful kay ko ana kay nakatabang ko sa mga bata.
Before we let you go, can we expect a player spotted special video for Oroquieta City? What can your followers look forward to from this trip?
Hi, this is your boy Player Spotted. And welcome to Oroquieta City. What a nice place. And we love you guys.
Your final message to the young ballers here in Oroquieta who dream of being featured on your page one day.
Sa mga nangandoy na mahimo og puhon na mas spotted ako, tuloy-tuloy lang mo mga vlogger na aragid mi dire para sa inyo ha. Basta ayaw kalimti, balance permente, eskwela, sports kana mo na pinaka-importante. Daghang salamat.
Thank you so much to Decal Fix for Team Kapipos Outfit, NBTC Philippines, and LGU Oroquieta City Mayor Lemuel Merrick Acosta. Sir, thank you so much from
Thank you.
Kapipol.